Monday. Today we're going to learn how to make a catapult. So, first take off, you're not there yet, so you need how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A dozen popsicle sticks. You can get them from the local store or pharmacy, whatever. These. 2 rubber bands. A bottle cap or one of those aluminum candles. And some glue. Put 11 of the popsicle sticks together and quickly rubber band them like that. One more. Make sure it's tight like that. Other side. Wait, before you do that, you actually have to. Wait, I just messed up. So, one side. Yeah, tighten that. Then slide the remaining chopstick onto underneath the top one. So just stick it in like that. Then put the other rubber band on. Like that. Tighten it. There. Now, put some glue. Right. Stick that in. Yeah. The glue. Put the glue on. And stick your either candle or bottle cap onto there. Twist it, make sure it sticks. Put it on the end like that. Perfect. And we have got ourselves a catapult. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. See ya. Let's go shoot it. Okay guys, I just found this gem. Put it in. Put one hand there. I'm just gonna put that there, and you can even shoot it with one hand. I think I broke the window.